we're in nature, and I don't think there's like any litter. There's maybe like a little bit of like the water rippling, just like one or two or three things just showing the general area. And then we'll have a long, I don't know if it's a medium, long shot.
Yeah, medium, long shots.
I'm just gonna emerge like some kind of like ape-like creature, in its natural habitat. And this is just establishing that. I might yell a couple times.
Do you have like a costume or?
Yeah, I'm gonna put on this hat. This is it. I mean, I'm wearing a pillow.
Rolling.
Action. Everyone's a communist. God damn. Yeah, those Costco hot dogs they got, they're pretty, still only $1.79, they're pretty good. Every time I go to Costco, I like to get a dog. Yeah, Chevy truck's got a pretty good powertrain. Ah! God damn, fake news! Hillary Clinton, Hillary Clinton, Dave. Hillary Clinton emailed. She sent an email.
Oh wait, should I be filming? Should I be filming?
Yeah, I'm not just doing this.
Oh shit, I'm sorry. I just don't understand. Like, why does the monster want Diet Coke?
No, this is like showing like a conservative, like Republican, like an average, like, yeah, goddamn scared. Get the hell out of my goddamn country. Kind of like that kind of person.
Okay.
That stereotype. But I guess I'm just like, hey, they're animals. Like I'm acting like a bear, but a bear would catch a salmon. And I think if a Republican was a bear, he'd catch like bottles of Diet Coke. Or something. No, and there's another thing. I'm gonna like dig up a cheeseburger.
All right, let's get to it, man.
Chicken sandwich.
Come on, let's do it.
God damn. I get to keep my own doctor. Get to keep my own doctor. Goddamn Mexicans. Goddamn Mexicans should get a goddamn job. That's what I think.
Cut. Am I still filming this?
No, cut.
Okay.
That's what this was. This is also like some conservative hand sign now, apparently. Chelsea Manning, lock her up. Him. Goddamn communist. Barack Hussein Obama. Hussein. Like Saddam Hussein. His middle name, Saddam Hussein. Barack Hussein. Last time I had a salad is when I had a cardiac arrest in the front lawn. Yeah. You aren't even fucking filming that.
Oh.
We'll just use the first shot. It's cool.
You would put that in the movie? I guess I just don't understand.
Well, I'm not hungry.
Are you sure?
It's fucking cold. I want to put on a sweater. Do you think it'd be bad continuity?
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna notice. I think they're gonna be like focused on you eating the sandwich in the bushes that you just found.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get warm.
Alright, I'm gonna pick up this trash can. I guess I should have read the script.
It's all in the script. I don't know. Reading sucks.